Did you know that a book cover only has 2 seconds to earn the attention of a potential reader?
So you spend time in bookstores and you just kind of literally watch what people do. We're all kind of heartless. It's just instantaneous, right? It is about 2 seconds that people spend. So it's just that look. You're hoping somebody will stop, right?
I've been lucky enough to work with Peter Cocking, the head designer at Page Two Books. And he's a guy who really understands this 2 second window, and he's applied all sorts of really unconventional design strategies to make a book pop out and earn people's attention very, very quickly.
Because really, that is the biggest thing with a cover. It just needs to say, hey, look at me, be interested in me. When we talked about like earn it, it's like there are so many things that became, really unconventional. Even just as simple as turning the type sort of sideways, right? Where it's still readable.
Once the cover has earned your attention, the book's next job is to get you to pick it up and open it and start reading.
So it immediately gets you wanting to interact with it like this way as opposed to this way, right? Even these little, kind of pointing devices that are encouraging you to follow the bits of type around the cover. This kind of treatment, these flaps, it seems like a small thing, but it's, again, one of those things that it doesn't fit the convention for a book like this. So even that alone is telling somebody, this is a different kind of book, right? If someone's seeing it physically, we really want them to pick it up and not just stop here, right? That it's turning it over and then engage and read and open it up. What if we think about it more like a poster? And they're more likely, and this was your real idea of starting the book right in the beginning, which is great, very kind of unconventional. No one ever starts a book on the first page, right? Even the blurbs, I think, which were another way to kind of make you interact a little further instead of just throwing them on the front or the back, encourages you to open it up and then open the flaps sort of further. And so it's almost like, in a way, kind of gamifying the book. Like it becomes something that you want to play with.
I'm so proud of all the design in this. Unconventional design, unconventional strategies for a book about unconventional marketing. Thank you, Peter Cocking. You're the best.